Hello my dear students, I welcome you all for today's lecture. We are doing surface area volume exercise 13.1. We have finished till question number 5 and now I am starting with question number 6. Okay, I request you all to take your textbooks with you because this I am not sure whether this will be clearly visible. Okay, so question number 6, a smaller indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass panes including base. So greenhouse will be actually of the shape of, definitely it will be of a shape of a cuboid. It will be of a shape of cuboid. This will be the greenhouse, which will be of the shape of a cuboid. And what are they telling is that this will be, it is 30 centimeter long, L is equal to 30 centimeter, breadth is equal to 25 centimeter and height is equal to 25 centimeter. What is the area of the glass? Now they are telling even the base is made up of the glass. So definitely if the base is, the rest to vertical, these lateral surface areas means the standing walls and the ceiling is definitely going to be made of the glass. Even the base is made up of glass. So when they are asking this cuboidal, you have to just bring it to notice, cuboidal herbarium, or you can say greenhouse. Length is equal to 30 centimeter, breadth is equal to 25 centimeter and height is also equal to 25 centimeter. Now you can tell total surface area of cuboid. You know the formula for this, 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. This is the formula that you are going to use. So you should always have the habit of writing the formula. This can give you extra marks or maybe only whatever it is, this presentation is needed. Therefore, total surface area of herbarium, length plus breadth, breadth into height, length into height. 2 into what is length? 30 into breadth is 25 plus breadth is 25 into height is 25. Length is 30 into height is 25. 30 into 25, 25 into 25, 30 into 25. Now my dear students, what you can do over here is, it is better you go on. Actually you can see here 5 is a common factor, 5 is a common factor, 5 is a common factor. You can take out 5 can divide this 25, 5 can divide this 25, 5 can also divide this 25. Again one more 5 can divide this 30 also, means we can go one by one. It is anyway, if you find it easy, 30 into 5 5 is 25 plus 25 into 5 5 is 25 plus 30 into 5. And actually 24 itself would have gone out, na? Sorry. Actually 25 itself would have gone out. What am I doing? 30 plus 25 plus 30. You can make out this 25 is a common factor, this 25 is a common factor, this has gone out. So what stays here is 50. Now this you can add up straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 85. So this becomes 5 5 are 25, 5 8 are 40, 41, 42. 4250 square meter is the total surface area of, square meter here, na? No, square centimeters of herbarium is equal to 4250 square centimeter. This is actually the common factor is wrongly taken. It is always nice to take out the common factor and then solve. That reduces most of the pressure of the answer. And what is the second question? How much tape is needed for all the 12 edges? So when we talk about the 12 edges, the tape needed for all 12 edges. See here, if supposing I consider this is the length, how many lengths are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lengths. So you can get it as 4 lengths plus how many breadths are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 breadths plus height, 1 height, 2 height, 3 height, 4 height. So 4 heights are there. 4 will go out as a common factor. Length plus breadth plus height. That will be 4 into length is 30 plus breadth is 25 plus height is 25. You get 4 into 25 plus 25, 50 plus 30 will give you 80 centimeter. This will be the tape needed for edging over it. Therefore, the length of tape needed for edges is equal to 320 centimeter. Okay. Now let's go to the next question, that is the question number 7. In 7th question, what is happening is Shanti sweet stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Okay, we have all had sweets from the sweet seller, so we have seen that we need a box for that, and it is basically covered from all sides. So we will have to find the total surface area of the box. But there are 2 sizes of boxes. The bigger dimension, the bigger cuboidal box. When it comes to bigger cuboidal box, the dimension is length is equal, always length is equal to 25 centimeter, breadth is equal to 20 centimeter, and height is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, this is there. And the smaller dimensions also are given for all the overlaps. 5% of total surface area is required extra. So when you are making one box, so of course we will find the total surface area of the box. We will find definitely the total surface area of the box. And apart from finding the total surface area of the box, we also will require, because when you are making the box, you must be knowing that actually speaking, we make a box. When we make a box, there is an overlapping required. This will be the overlapping required. For this, matching this overlapping, this 5% extra. 5% of what? 5% of this total surface area. We will have to add that 5% area over here. So that also we will have to add for making one box. Okay, for one box of bigger dimension, one box of a smaller dimension, total surface area. Now that if the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 per 1000 centimeter square, remember, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. 250 of bigger box, 250 smaller boxes. So total surface area of cuboid, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. This is the total surface area of cuboid. So now bigger box, length into breadth will be 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 25 into 5. Now here we can see 5 will go out as a common factor. If 5 goes out as a common factor, 5 4s are 20, I am taken from here. Then again 5 has gone outside plus 25. This is easy. Now this will be equal to 2 5s are 10. 25 into 4 will make it 100 plus 20 plus 25. You solve this, this will give you 20 plus 25, 45, 145. That will be equal to 1450 square centimeter is the total surface area of a bigger box. Now you have to calculate 5% of this. Now for extras, 5% of this is required. Remember, 5% of this. So 1 0 is gone. 5 2s are 10. Oh, this will be 7s are 14. 2s are 4. 0.5 you will get. 72.5 centimeter square for extras. Therefore, area of cardboard required for one bigger box. What will be the area required? 1450 plus 72.5. That will give you 0.5 will be there. 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1522.5 centimeter square. This is the area of cardboard required for making one bigger box. Therefore, area of cardboard required for making 250 bigger boxes will be 250 into 1522.5. This area will be needed. So for multiplication, this will be 1522.5 into 250. So I will write 1525 into 250. 1 is 0 is 1, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 11 12, 5 2s are 10, 11, 5 5s are 25, 26, 7. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3. So what is there is 0, 5, 2, 6, 8, 380, 6250, 1 decimal place. This will go over here. So this is equal to 380,625 centimeter square. This much area of cardboard will be required for making 250 bigger boxes. This all process we have to make for finding the area is required for making smaller boxes. Now we go to the smaller boxes. Smaller cuboidal box. When it comes to smaller cuboidal box, length is equal to 15 centimeter, breadth is equal to 12 centimeter, height is equal to 5 centimeter. Both the boxes have equal height. Therefore, total surface area of smaller cuboidal box will be 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. That will be equal to 2 into length into breadth is 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 15 into 5. Again we can take out 5 as a common factor. From here 5 will go, 3 is 15 into 12. Here 5 will go straight. Here 5 will go straight. So we get 10. 3 12s are 36 plus 12 plus 15. That will make 36 plus 12. 36, 46, 48. 48, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. 10 into 63, that will be equal to 630 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of smaller cuboidal box, 30 centimeter square. Now extras, 5% of this. 0 0 is gone. 5 2s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 1s are 2.5 centimeter square. This is the extras. Therefore, area of cardboard needed for one smaller box will be actual total surface area 630 plus the extra that will give you 0.5 will be there 661.5 centimeter square. This much area of cardboard is needed for making one smaller box. Therefore, area of cardboard needed for 250 smaller boxes will be 250 into 661.5 centimeter square will be definitely continuing. So here we will get 661.5 into 250, 661.5 into 250. 0 is there, 5 5 is 25, 5 is 5, 6 7, 5 6 is 30, 5 6 is 30, 31, 32, 33. Now here again 2 is gone. 2 5 is 10, 2 1 is 2 3, 2 6 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 13. This will give you 0 5 7 3 5 6 1 and then one decimal place, so this will go. That will be equal to 165,375. 165,375 centimeter square. This is second one. So area of cardboard needed for making 250 smaller boxes will be this. Similarly, we have got area of cardboard required for making 250 bigger boxes. Therefore, area of cardboard required for making 250 smaller and bigger boxes is equal to how much? 380,625 plus 2, 165,375. 7 8 9 10 6 7 8 9 10 6 14 3 4 5 1 4 546,000 centimeter square. This is the area needed. Now they are telling us what more thing. The cardboard, the rate of cardboard is rupees 5 per 1000 centimeter square. Now rate of cardboard is equal to rupees 4 per 1000 centimeter square. Therefore, total cost of cardboard will be how much? See here, what we can do over here is that, see, try to understand. This is actually easy for you all, but if anybody has got any problem, see, rupees and area for 1000 centimeter square, 4 is there, rupees 4 is there. What is the area that we require? 546,000. How much will be required for here? For that we will cross multiply 4 into 546,000. This comes over here upon 1000. That will be writing, that we will write over here also. 546,123 into 4 upon, this will get cut. So will be what? 4 6 are 24, 4 4 are 16, 17, 18, 2184 rupees. This will be the 2184 rupees. 2184. Point is not there. This looks like a point over there. Okay, it is, the decimal is not there. This will be the area, total cost of the cardboard required for making 250 boxes. Okay, so this is how it is supposed to be solved. See, it is a lengthy one, it looks like, but it is easy. Actually speaking, here also we are going to do the same thing. Total surface area, then find the 5% of total surface area and add that 5% over here, then only you will get the total area. Same will happen over here. First you will find total surface area of the box, then find the 5% of the total surface area of the box, and this will go and add up over there. Then you will get the total area needed for making one box. Then both these things will be multiplied by 250 to get a area needed to make 250 boxes. And total area you can add. You can do this problem in multiple ways, my dear students. You can even, no, but this is one way. It is better way. Don't get confused. So in this we have solved the 7th one, and now we proceed to solve the question number 8. In question number 8, Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all 4 sides and the top of the car. So it is very simple, my dear students. All 4 sides it will be covering. Like this the box will be. It will be covering all 4 sides. But remember, it is not, it means it because it is going from top and sitting over it. All 4 sides and the top of the car. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin will be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter? Height is 2.5 meter and dimensions is 4 meter and 3 meter. So here, my dear students, only the lateral surface area will be required and the top will be required. So here cuboidal tarpaulin cover length is equal to 4 meter, breadth is equal to 3 meter and height is equal to 2.5 meter. So surface area, now this is not total surface area required to make, or the surface area, the tarpaulin cover. See, basically when it comes to lateral surface area, we know the formula is 2h into L plus B. This is for lateral surface area plus the top area, that is length into breadth. Okay, see what we are doing, lateral surface area plus area of top face. This is nothing but the rectangle, area of top face. This is the top, which is the rectangle. So area of this will be length into breadth. So what we get over here, 2 into height is what? 2.5, length plus breadth 4 plus 3 plus length into breadth will be again 4 into 3. This is how we will solve this. This will become 2 into 2.5 will be 5, 4 plus 3 will be 7, 4 into 3 will be 12. 5, 7 the 35 plus 12. This will be 35, 45, 46, 47 meter square. This much, what is asked again? That's all. That is all. Therefore, tarpaulin 47 meter square. So with this, I think we have finished with question number 8, and also we have finished with the exercise chapter 13.1. Okay, my dear students, with this I stop over here, and soon I will come back and continue with 13.2, my dear students. See you all. Stay home, stay safe, and most importantly, stay happy, my dear students. See you all soon. Bye. Love you all.